Shark Tank was like a sudden and shocking platform for me also. कभी नहीं सोचा था that I would be standing on a stage and pitching my business. So I actually felt I was very, very nervous because for me that was not the platform I have ever thought of. Watching the episode, जिस तरह से उन्हें ग्रिलिंग और रोस्टिंग दिखाई, मुझे लगा ये एक्चुअल टेलीकास्ट में हमें डील मिली है कि नहीं मिली है, मैं खुद ही भूल गई बिकॉज इट वॉज सो मच प्रोमिनेंट दैट दे हैड शोन दैट पार्ट, सो इट was shown very dramatically. But अमित जैन had to say कि अगर किसी के चेहरे से कुछ बिक रहा है तो बेचो ना भाई. You have an USP, if you've got an influencer on board, if you've got an actor on board, what is the problem?
But who was your favorite among all the sharks? After coming.
Favorite, I would say all of them. Diggaj Angel, they are like beautiful angels to us. We wanted all five of them to fight for us. Rejections is a part of our profession. I've always tried to find out कि I always want to work on it. I don't find it a way कि यार कुछ अंदर की politics थी, इसको ले लिया, मुझे नहीं लिया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है.
क्या चीजें हैं जो अब सबसे ज्यादा मिस करती हैं जो यहाँ करती थी?
मुझे लगता है कि ये जो मैं पहले करती थी वो अब मैं नहीं ही करना चाहती हूँ.
रिसेंटली हमने आपको शार्क में देखा, कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस शार्क टैंक का?
Well, Shark Tank was like a sudden and shocking platform for me also. कभी नहीं सोचा था that I would be standing on a stage and pitching my business. You know, I've always seen and lived there for 20 years, performing on award functions, getting awards, standing and talking about all the acknowledgements and everything. But ये नहीं सोचा था कि कहीं जाकर मुझे किसी को convince करने के लिए pitch करना पड़ेगा अपना business. So I actually felt I was very, very nervous because for me that was not the platform I have ever thought of. So I have actually studied like a 10th board and a 12th board कि क्या क्या questions आ सकते हैं. I'm supposed to be prepared with everything. So it was a very nervous platform for me. I always thought camera, light, action, stage is going to be so friendly. I love being at that place. But yes, that could be that threatening. I never thought. And those 5 sharks sitting in front of you and grilling you and ready to ask each and everything question, because of course they have the right. वो invest करने वाले हैं, तो they have to ask such questions. But for me it was a very overwhelming thing. But you know what, एक बार पहले तो तैयारी ऐसी थी कि लगा था कि बहुत डर लग रहा है, लेकिन एक बार जब आपको पता है it is something that you're pitching your own thing, your own story and your own journey, and it's your own thing. You are not pitching in behalf of anybody or you're not pitching for somebody. तो इतना easy और इतना मक्खन की तरह गया ना कि लगा कि बस बातें चलती रहे, ये टेक खत्म ही नहीं हो. It was so much fun being on that stage and so much of acknowledgement, where of course all the sharks had seen my shows also, and it was such a good feeling that you know you
I mean, who have not seen your show? वही
touch wood.
बचपन हमारा बचपन गुजरा है उससे. But I really want to ask you, वहाँ पे जब हम टीजर देख रहे थे तो उसमें ना मुझे हमें ऐसा लगा कि वो रोस्ट कर रहे हैं आपको. तो आपकी रोस्टिंग भी हुई है. तो वो अजीब लग रहा था, तो ईगो पे नहीं हटा हो रहा था?
तो जया, मैं बताती हूँ, मुझे लगा था कि डेली सोप सिर्फ हम करते हैं, ओके, लेकिन मुझे नहीं पता था कि रियलिटी शोज में भी डेली सोप चलता है. So while this entire pitch of roundabout we were there on the stage, 1.5-2 घंटे के करीब हम एक one take चलता है and you have that entire session going on. When I started with my dance performance on Shark, and it felt like everybody is sold. मतलब we are getting the deal. हमें first pitch से पता था कि we are getting the deal, so we very very comfortable on stage. और जो grilling part आप बोल रहे हो ना, there were hardly for 7 to 10 minutes. That was started by Amit Jain, and it was just on the air. I found it little off in terms of gross profit and net profit. Everybody has their own way of saying it out, but I think it's his own take. I won't take it too hard on my heart that you know ऐसा कैसे बोल दिया और गलत बोल दिया. वो उनका take था, but वो clarify हुआ. In fact, the sharks fought within themselves, जो कि नहीं दिखाया गया. Sharks fought within themselves and they said कि यार ऐसे कैसे बोल रहे हो, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है. They were fighting हमारे लिए. ये सब कुछ नहीं दिखाया. And of course they got convinced. तभी तो the biggest sharks have come on board like Aman Gupta and Anupam Mittal. So they are with us. तो ये you know sudden जो वो grilling part दिखाया ना, पता है जब शो चल रहा था, वैसे तो आज तक मैंने लाइफ में जितने भी शोज मेरे टेलीकास्ट होते हैं उससे पहले मुझे वीडियो पता होता है कि कल क्या आने वाला है. सो शार्क का मुझे पता नहीं था कि क्या आने वाला है. सो वी डिड अ स्मॉल स्क्रीनिंग इन पटना एंड वी वर जस्ट स्टैंडिंग विद फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली वाचिंग द एपिसोड. सो इवन आई वाज प्रीटी सरप्राइज्ड. जब तक ऐड आया ना मुझे लगा भाई मुझे डील मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी. सब लोगों को तो मैंने सरप्राइज, ऑफ कोर्स आई डिडंट टेल देम,
Yeah.
नेहा व्हाट हैपेंड, डिड यू गेट द डील? आई एम लाइक बॉय वेट एंड वॉच ना, व्हाई यू गेटिंग सो एजेड अबाउट इट, कि जब आएगा तब देखेंगे। अब मुझे तो पता है ना कि मुझे डील मिली है। भाई वो जब एड तक आया ना, जिस तरह से उन्हें ग्रिलिंग और रोस्टिंग दिखाई, मुझे लगा ये एक्चुअल टेलीकास्ट में हमें डील मिली है कि नहीं मिली है, मैं खुद ही भूल गई, बिकॉज इट वाज सो मच prominent that they had shown that part, so it was shown very dramatically, but it wasn't the मुद्दा at all। और मुझे आप कह रहे हो कि I should have felt, थोड़ा ईगो पे लगा होगा, बुरा, ईगो की बात ही नहीं थी। 5-7 मिनट से ज्यादा ये मुद्दा चला ही नहीं था, and actually telecast में it became like the main thing and they had this drama
No,
point।
that word actually made me also think कि पता नहीं कैसा बिहेव किया होगा आपने।
Transparency।
नहीं है कि आप टीवी पे आई हुई हैं ऑलरेडी और आपने टीवी के लिए काम किया हुआ है, तो आपको तो पता होगा कैसे सेल किया जाता है प्रोडक्ट। कहीं ये तो नहीं है आपका मार्केटिंग ट्रिक?
हाँ, but I think that's a good, I took it very positive, in fact I don't know, you felt hurt or
I
what?
thought कि ये थोड़ा अजीब लगा मुझे
मुझे तो
सुनकर।
लगा कि सही बोल रहा है ना, इतने साल से मैं इस आई नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट डज वर्क, बट नाउ आई नो शार्क टैंक में भी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट डज वर्क, बिकॉज इफ दे आर टेलीकास्टिंग इट इन अ वे, यू नो, व्हाट आई अंडरस्टूड इज दैट बाय इफ, जैसे my brother also wanted to say कि it's not only about Neha's face, it's also about the product, that the product is very hero product and it really works in solution, of course we have all of that। So Amit Jain had to say कि अगर किसी के चेहरे से कुछ बिक रहा है तो बेचो ना भाई, you have an USP, if you have got an influencer on board, if you have got an actor on board, what is the problem? So I think he was convinced about it कि आपको face value use करनी चाहिए, but with us we are actually not using any face value or such। It was my story how we started with Fitco, and I still don't have a vision of being कि 1000 करोड़ या 10,000 करोड़ की कंपनी हम बना के ये करेंगे, मेरा विजन ये नहीं है। मेरा विजन है, पता है जया, आई हैव गॉन थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ trauma in my life post pregnancy with this entire body odor smell, the entire confidence of wearing sleeveless and dancing by moving your hands up had completely gone for a toss, and what I have felt being a girl, being an actor, being a human, I know I have seen this transition of my journey where I was very confident, where I've become losing my confidence day by day, understanding my body odor, not able to solve it, using deodorant every now and then, masking my odor because I had no solution to actually repair it, and then realizing that my underarms have gone darker, pigmented because of the chemical that I've been using every hour. And then losing it off there, from there, I had gained back on my life with completely my skin tone color and with zero smell on my body from the very first use. So I have seen this transition. और जो है ये मैं एज एन, कई बार होता है ना, आप क्रिएटिव अंदर से भी हो, आप एन एक्टर एज ए रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू योर ऑडियंस, टू योर, सो मैं अपने कस्टमर्स को कस्टमर बोलना भूल जाती हूँ, मैं कस्टमर्स को ऑडियंस बोलने लगती हूँ, क्योंकि 20 साल से यही काम किया हमने। सो आई जस्ट थिंक इट्स अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, और ये एक सोल्यूशन मुझे मिला है लाइफ में। हम आज के टाइम में, आई लाइकली वांट टू ऐड वन थिंग, कि हम साबुन यूज़ करते थे, शैम्पू भी उसी से करते थे, फेस भी उसी से धोते थे, मतलब आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट अस, बट आई एम टॉकिंग अ जनरेशन बिहाइंड हु वेयर साबुन से सर, मुंह, हाथ, पैर और जगह जगह जहाँ धोना है सब धो लेते थे। बट नाउ द टाइम हैज़ कम, नाउ वी सिटिंग इन एन एरा जहाँ हम शैम्पू यूज़ करते हैं, कंडीशनर यूज़ करते हैं, सनस्क्रीन यूज़ करते हैं, फेस वॉश यूज़ करते हैं, बॉडी वॉश यूज़ करते हैं, बॉडी लोशन यूज़ करते हैं, फुट क्रीम यूज़ करते हैं, फुट लोशन यूज़ करते हैं। एवरी स्मॉल थिंग वी आर टेकिंग अ डीप इंटीग्रेशन विद। वी आर, जब हमें बुखार, सर्दी, जुकाम कुछ नहीं होता है, फिर भी हम 6 मल्टीविटामिन टैबलेट्स लेते हैं दिन में टू क्योर आवरसेल्फ इनसाइड। So if we're doing so much, I was very surprised with one little line. I think it was too small a time for Namita to understand at that time, though high regards to her. She's a brilliant entrepreneur. But उस वक्त शायद वो वक्त के साथ चूक गया, where she said that convenience, she chose convenience over solution. So आज की हमारी जो जनता है, जो हमारे कस्टमर्स हैं, वो क्या चाहते हैं? उनको सोल्यूशन चाहिए। सामान वो 100 रुपए का हो, लोग, पीपल आर रेडी टू स्पेंड एन नंबर ऑफ अमाउंट, दे वांट सोल्यूशन फॉर देयर थिंग्स, और ऐसा सोल्यूशन जो हर दूसरे पर्सन, एवरीबडी हैज बॉडी ओडर, नो मैटर यू हैव, समबडी हैज लेस, समबडी हैज मोर, समबडी हैज स्ट्रॉन्ग, समबडी हैज सॉफ्ट, बट एवरी पर्सन हैज दिस थिंग। सो when she said कि it's an added step, I think, so for that reason I'm out, and I just wanted to have the same monologue which I actually told you right now, but मुझे लगा कि when it's coming from her, I doubted myself कि I have to go and recheck that am I saying something wrong, am I thinking something wrong. But then I went back and I just thought कि it was too less a time. Sharks के लिए भी बहुत challenging होता है. उस थोड़े से time में उनको सब judge करके invest करना है. So they didn't know us from before, they didn't know about the product, they didn't know about the study of it. So we got it all together at that 1 hour, 2 hour, they had to decide everything. So at that time when she said that it's an added step, टॉयलेट में एक सोप बार होता था, अब आपका पूरा सेक्शन भरा होता है फॉर योर स्किन केयर एंड 12 स्टेप रूटीन एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई थिंक वन स्टोन जस्ट आफ्टर योर शावर just solves your solution and makes you hygiene from inside. I think it's absolutely works.
But who was your favorite among all the sharks after coming?
Favorite, I would say all of them. Diggaj Angel, they are like beautiful angels to us. We wanted all 5 of them to fight for us. Ideally, every founder would want that कि आपके लिए पांचों लड़ रहे हो और everybody wants to come in. But I think the biggest sharks were Anupam Mittal and Aman Gupta, and very happy to get them on board. They have a lot of credibility. They have made so much big. They have their expertise that they have got. They have their challenges that can help us to grow further. And we're very happy with that. Not so
But
problem.
how did you decided to go into sharks?
This was never the plan. We were just 10 months old. Fitco started 2025 January, and we got a mail by October mid or September end that they wanted us, Fitco, to come on Shark Tank. So we were not looking for investors because we were cash positive, we were profitable from the day one, and we didn't want an interference also. So we were not looking for any interference at that time. हम खुद ही करोड़ों का FD बना के रखे, तो हमें cash positive चाहिए ही नहीं. But God sign that they kept mailing every 7 days में एक mail आता था, we want you to be on Shark Tank. फिर calls आने शुरू हुए, तो मैंने कहा कि यार what is wrong, हम इतना पैसा खर्च करते हैं मार्केटिंग में, हम इतना पैसा खर्चा करते हैं क्रिएटर्स, अपनी बात बताने के लिए हम कितने जरियों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. This is one platform which is like a pan India thing, and you can talk about USPs and everything about your product. Not that we actually went there only for marketing, but of course then you get those experts. If they come on board, their expert advice will always help us to grow further. No matter, we didn't want to dilute our valuation, we didn't want to dilute our equities also. हम 1% से ज़्यादा देना चाहते भी नहीं थे, चाहे फिर वो 1% में पाँचों आते, that's their call. But we were very headstrong with that. But since it was a sign again and again, so we just thought why not to try this. और बहुत we take a pride to say that there's so many contestants on board. They come and they say कि हम 4 साल से audition दे रहे हैं, हम 5 साल से audition दे रहे हैं, हम इस filter round में out हो गए. हमने तो कोई audition round ही नहीं किया. हाँ, of course जो वो 2 step होते हैं before you go to the tank. You have those 2 steps of filtration with the creatives. You stand and pitch your thing for 2 hours. तो वो 2 steps हमने clear किए. But till then 2 steps तक भी हम sure नहीं थे कि do we really want to go. We were just going ahead कि 1 step at one day. Last final देखेंगे कि करना है कि नहीं करना है. Because हमें investors उस वक्त नहीं चाहिए थे. But thankfully it was meant to happen, and it's all.
And I think after that I think और भी अच्छा response आ रहा होगा आपके.
Jaya, it's crazy. We just house on fire. I would just roughly tell you, we were making like some around 7-8 lakhs per day. But now we scaled up and we are selling almost like 30-35 lakh per day.
Wow.
So it's almost a 7x jump to us. So it's doing great. Touch wood.
Touch wood, and I wish only good luck for this project.
you.
You're doing a great job. But then, do you miss Mumbai?
Well, I love Mumbai. Once you are a Mumbaikar, once you have, and I've lived my lifespan, it's been 18 to 20 years that I have given to this city, and the city has given so much to me, had made me what I am today, had given me an identity, a personality, everything what I know about myself has the city given me. My first check, my first love, my first work, everything is here, and I think, of course, I would always miss being in Bombay. I would always want to come back to the city. I was always want to be. This was a dream city for me. But again, now the priorities have changed with time. Now that I come Mumbai every month, but I come for approximately 3 to 5 days as of now, post Anaya, because now my daughter is too young and she needs me, and I've always prioritized my life with phases.